Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge isupport nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Kule weekend esisuka kuyo sikhulume kakhulu ngenkulumo ka former president uThabo Mbeki abeyisho ngeMK Party. Waze waphika ngisho neJuly unrest ukuthi ayenzekanga ngoba abantu babelwela into eyenzeka ku former president uJacob Zuma. Wathi kodwa lawa ngama agent apartheid wabiza ngama counter revolutionary ukuthi kwakuyi counter revolutionary leyo eyayizama ukwenza izwe lase South Africa ukuthi lingabi stable. Wakhuluma ke nane MK Party ukuthi hayi MK Party niyibona iperforme kanje kuma general elections ango 2024. No, angingaze ngichaza into eningi ngeke ngisho kahle lenkulumo. Ngicela ukucaphunela na bese ngicaphunela response MK Party.
You have this result, one of the results. A new organization called the MK Party suddenly gets this huge support in KZN. Gauteng a bit, Mpumalanga a bit. Why? And suddenly the ANC drops to whatever. Why have this population suddenly decided in KZN to abandon the ANC in these numbers? I had my own differences with the ANC leadership, provincials. But that was not why you had that result. The reason we had that result is because I'm coming back to what I was saying about the National Security Management System. It was the activation of that National Security Management System which produced that result. Because that machinery had never been dismantled. I was saying we raised this matter with the TRC. The TRC tried. You go and look at the records of the TRC. The TRC tried to get into this matter, but couldn't produce any result. That was the machinery that was used to produce that result in KZN. You see its phenomenon, for instance, with the Gauteng hostels. You remember during this so-called war on black violence, those were IFP hostels. When we big clash with the ANC communities, IFP decide themselves. These were IFP hostels. But what happened in 2024? They all abandoned the IFP and went to the MK Party. Why? It's because they are controlled by the same person. It's the same person who controlled them when they were IFP hostels. The same person who controlled them when they were IFP hostels, the same person who controls them today as MK hostels, MK Party hostels. I'm saying, communists, that's the counter-revolution, that's how it works.
Usho ka former president uThabo Mbeki akungoba abantu bese be fed up ngeANC ngokungenzi kahle kwayo for the past 30 years. Inkulumo ka former president ithi abantu base South Africa abakwazanga ukuzicabangela bona independently ukuthi bona bakhethe ukuthi bazovotela bani. Cha. Futhi azange kufike kubantu base South Africa ukuthi bethi hayi manje iANC ayisiphethe kahle ngakho sesizovotela amanye ama political parties, sovotela iMK, sovotela iDA, sovotela ini. Akuzange kufike kubo lokho ngoba abazicabangela independently kunalokho is counter revolutionary. Angisho lutho ke mina kodwa kune video engiyibonile yomunye ubaba bekhuluma ngayo uThabo Mbeki ukhulume kanje.
Integration, they didn't fight for us.
Where was Thabo Mbeki when these things were happening?
Thabo Mbeki was still striving to be a president of the country. He has been an ambitious man for many years. And he has never visited us in Angola. He only came to Uganda when Mandela was coming to visit us.
to position himself.
That's when he came and he told us that we think we are more superior than the rest of the people in South Africa. He said people in South Africa, they sleep on streets hungry, comparing us to hobos now. And when Mandela called him into order, it's live what I'm saying. We were in Uganda. The hatred from me to Thabo Mbeki was even more than ever before. Because politically, we didn't even know him. We knew him as a son of our leader who was in Robben Island. We know nothing about what he did here. You know, people, when they like you, they can write good stories about you. The same as when they don't like you. They can create other stories.
Yes.
So people rely on media in many things.
In the bigger scheme of things, when ucabanga ukuthi ayisonke nje, usefundiswe nokuthi kufanele aqashe kanjani kuze angabona. Kube uyena engathithi uyithanda kakhulu iANC ukudla wonke umuntu. Uma nje khuluma nje, hey sonke sithi no siyamkhetha ucomrade. Siyamkhetha impela uyena sibona ukuthi angaba usihla. Sebemfundisile ukuthi umbuzo ukhethwe fanele ukuthi ube njani. Is a silent war in the process of the balance of forces. So the ANC that has been strong, articulate, etc., uzoyizwa sisaba okanye abantu sebesaba ukusho izinto ezithile, because they must now be moderate. Moderate. Say ngane namakomani sengasasho ukuthi i-dictatorship of the proletariat, the new language. Yeah, uyabona nje sebeyincenga nabo nkuzimalanga. Awusayizi i-dictatorship of the proletariat. Seyishawa ngesitayela. Sekona-ke. Now, ngifuna ukuthi uma sibuka inkinga esibhekene nazo namhlanje singazibuki on the surface noma sizibuke on individuals. As understand ukuthi sisempini kazwelonke. South Africa is important in many respects. Globally, nase Africa. Iyaziwa ukuthi ine-influence eAfrica. Sidume ngokuthi abasihlebayo sifaka i-influence embi eAfrica. Senza ukuthi abantu base-Africa bangabesabi ababekade becindezela. Kanti babesaba.
Ngiyazi ngiyafisa ukuthi labo baba ababili ngaphambi abadlule emhlabeni bake basitshela iqiniso ukuthi kahle kahle okuyikona kona okwenzekalayo yini. Mawulalela uformer president ukhale ngokuthi kunama agents akhona kodwa nama apartheid spies akhona ku-ANC. Inhloso yawo infiltrate i-ANC. Wakubeka konke kodwa imini yakhe wayikhombisa ngakuformer president uZuma. Sakulalo kodwa mawulalela le memorial lecture ka-OR Tambo engiqeda ukufakela yona. Kukhona umuntu uZuma naye akhuluma ngaye. Naye futhi uyi-agent uyi-apartheid spy. Bamfakile kunabantu abathiza bamfakile kuze kubonakale ngathi uyithanda kakhulu iANC. Kahle kahle kukhulunywa ngobani? Yazi ngiyafisa mina lawo baba ngelinye ilanga bake basitshele nje iqiniso ukuthi yazi bani base South Africa nansi into eyenzakalayo. Ngoba lento yabo yokukhuluma ngama code kanje ugcina ungazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Futhi uma ngabe lo muntu bayamazi kanti abamqondi ngani noma bazami ngani amasu ukuthi lo muntu lo azama ukuthi silwise lento yakhe ngoba sesiyayibona. Inkulu inkinga noma inkulu imfihlo labantu abanayo bobabili. So le nkulumo zabo ezengiqaphelile mina kukhona into abayibangayo. Ngeze ngathi mangicabangela ngedwa. Ngathi ayi ngoba uformer president uZuma umuntu obathanda abantu besifazane mhlambe lensizwa akwayithathela intombi mhlambe sesengapha koSwaziland kuexile. Angeke ngazwa phela labantu babengabangane laba abakhulu kwakungabangane labo owaziyo ukuthi amathe nolimi. Kodwa namhlanje abasezwana asazi ukuthi kubangwani. Kunje into ebangwayo nje nawo akekho ongakutshela nje ukuthi yazi into ebangwa uformer president uZuma noformer president uMbeki le. Impi yabo nje yaqala ePulukwane ngo-2007. Wonke umuntu nje owaziyo namaphoyisa athi saqala ukubona ukwehlukana kumaphoyisa emveni kokuwina kaformer president uZuma ngo-2007 ePulukwane. So inkulu into laba ababili abayibangayo. Inkulu ngempela ingakho ngithi ngelinye ilanga ngiyafisa abasitshela iqiniso kodwa lokho sengathi bangakwenza besaphila ingakafika imihla yabo ukuthi bahambe emhlabeni. Basitshele nje ukuthi yazi lo muntu asitshele nje ukuthi lo uformer president uThabo Mbeki ukuthi cha umuntu ebengikhuluma ngaye nebengikhulume ngaye okuyena MK party ngoba makhulunywa MK party mhlawumbe thina sicabanga uZuma kanti akusuyi. Funeka asho ukuthi hayi noma uZuma isizathu yilesi nalesi waqashwa ngobani ngesikhathi esithize kwakwenze njani. NoZuma naye abuya asitshela lo muntu ade ekhuluma ngaye odu comrade oze akhulume kahle avele sengathi uthanda kakhulu iANC azakhethwe. Ukhuluma ngobani? Buphi ubufakazi? Inkulu imfihla abanayo labantu. Impi yabo impi yangempela ukuthi nje ilwa kahle buthule. Silent war. Le abayilwayo impi yangempela. Kodwa ke MK party mayiphendula mayelana nalolu daba noma nalenkulumo eshuwo uformer president uThabo Mbeki iye yakhipha uDeputy President wayo uThoni Yengeni oyiformer member yeANC wakhuluma kanje.
To us, this is not just a criticism, it's an attack. It's criminalizing the voters of Mkondo Wesizwe and suggesting that they are not genuine in supporting MK or the outcomes of that elections had a criminal intent. And we reject that. And we think that that statement is very reckless. It is very, very dangerous. Especially said to a group of ex-combatants.
Sibambe le video ikhona istatement esibhalwe iMK party kodwa sinenkulumo ecishe ifane noma bezobala into eningi manje isidingo sokusifunda ngesiboni kodwa nje basahamba emazwini lawashuwo uDeputy President wabo okuThoni Yengeni ethi le statement kubo sifana ne-attack nempi ngoba usho ukuthi ama-results lawa wekho genuine kodwa ngenxa yokusizwa ama-agents athize ukuze ama-results abe nje onhloso yawo ukulwa ne-ANC. Hayi ukuthi ngoba abantu base-South Africa noma abantu base-KZN nasempumalanga naseGauteng la i-MK party ethole khona amavoti amaningi abadecide ukuthi bona bafuna ukuvotela i-MK party. So ingakho esho kanye futhi le statement ayisho asibaphathi kahle ngoba ingakho bethi bona ngesingabo abazivumelani naso abahambelani naso ngoba bona ngokwazi kwabo nokwazi kwethu nje njengabantu abangamalungu omphakathi ukuthi ama-results aveza ukuthi abantu base-South Africa bakhethe kanjani hayi ngoba kunomthelelo othize noma kunama-agent athize kunabantu abathize uma kunjalo shuthi sidlala ngesikhathi masiyovota uma kunabantu abaziyo ukuthi singakwazi ukwenza ukuthi ukuze kuphumelele iqembu elithize usho ukuthi sidlala ngesikhathi sethu masiyovota sisaqhubeleka nokuvota ke uma kunjalo asibambe le video ngicela ukuthi ukuphala kwakho la comment section.